When life breaks you, it's not a testament to your personal failure, but rather a fundamental aspect of the human experience. Life's relentless commitment to our awakening manifests through the breaking and rebuilding of our hearts, a process often painful and challenging. In Aboriginal societies, the concept of deliberately breaking individuals through coming-of-age rituals aimed to prepare them for life's inevitable challenges. These cultures recognize the transformative power that arises from conscious breaking and the subsequent journey towards finding the light. Western culture, however, tends to resist the idea that life will inevitably break us. The pursuit of perfection and the avoidance of crises are deeply ingrained in our societal values. In times of crisis, the prevailing narrative reinforces the notion that any deviation from perfection is a personal flaw. This cultural mindset denies the universal truth that life breaks us all, not because of our inadequacies, but as a means of fostering growth and a deeper capacity for love. Facing a crisis, one might question their actions, believing they could have avoided it with better decisions. While some crises may be a result of our choices, the inevitability of crisis itself cannot be escaped. Life, in its unique and sometimes ruthless way, chooses to break us at specific times for reasons beyond personal flaws or mistakes. Navigating a crisis is an arduous journey, marked by pain and the temptation to believe we've failed. Yet, understanding that going through a crisis is part of the human experience helps to dispel the notion of personal inadequacy. It's a process of breaking and rebuilding that, when approached consciously, can lead to profound personal growth. When life is attempting to break you, it's essential to recognize that nothing is inherently wrong with you. You are not flawed or inadequate, you are simply a human being undergoing the universal experience of being broken by life. Acknowledging this reality allows for a more compassionate and understanding perspective towards oneself. Learning how to break and how to put our hearts back together becomes a crucial aspect of this journey. Managing the internal voices that scream, "You've screwed up," and allowing the pain to flow through us is a skill that leads to eventual healing and the emergence of light. The breaking of the heart, when met with acceptance, paves the way for a stronger and kinder self. The heartbreak experience is unavoidable, and futile attempts to hold on to the pieces only drain energy from our lives. Letting go and accepting the cyclical nature of life, including heartbreak, is a courageous act. It frees up energy that can be redirected towards living a fuller life, embracing the impermanence of the heart state. In the midst of heartbreak, it's crucial to remember that you haven't failed. This is not a deviation from the norm, but rather an integral part of the human journey. The pain and challenges encountered during this process are not signs of personal inadequacy, but rather stepping stones towards a more profound capacity to love. As the heart breaks and heals, a larger and more resilient heart emerges. It becomes capable of holding not only more love but also more pain. The cycle of breaking and rebuilding strengthens the heart, making it healthier and more adaptable to the challenges life presents. So, if you find yourself in the midst of a crisis, remember, you haven't screwed up. This is what life does. I am so sorry. May your heart heal and grow bigger, embracing the transformative power embedded in the inevitable process of being broken and rebuilt.